In this section, we are going to learn email open source intelligence. Email OSINT refers to the practice of utilizing publicly available information to gather, validate, and analyze email addresses of our target. By analyzing email metadata, domain information, social media profiles, data breaches, and other open sources, investigators can build a comprehensive profile that aids in cybersecurity, threat assessment, and investigative processes. We can use gathered email addresses to extract valuable insights. For example, we can use emails to track the social media profiles of our target. These profiles can help track their online activities and even can help in profiling our targets by providing information about their friends and families, pets' names, etc. We can also look for data breaches and gather leaked passwords of our target. We can use these passwords for password spraying in our further attacks. We can also analyze the passwords to identify any patterns which can help in our attacks. Moreover, we can try to track the emails received from our target to identify the email servers and the path the emails are taking to reach our inbox. This can also help to identify fake phishing emails. The first step is harvesting the emails of an organization. We need to gather the email addresses of our target, which we can use to send our phishing campaigns or other attacks. There are a number of tools that can help us to gather email addresses of our target. Some of these tools are needed to be run on Kali Linux, while others are online. There are also some browser extensions that gather email addresses from a domain on the fly. Moreover, we can also try to find email addresses manually by browsing our target domain, visiting pages like LinkedIn and Yellow Pages, or looking through Contact Us pages. Hunter.io is one of the well-known tools to gather email addresses. You just provide the domain, and it lists all emails. Similarly, you can use Phonebook.cz, which also lists down email addresses related to a domain. Once we have gathered email addresses, the next step is to validate these emails. Email validation is the process of verifying the accuracy and validity of an email address to ensure it is correct and can receive messages. If we send emails to non-existent addresses, our sending email or domain may get flagged. So it is essential to validate emails before sending some campaigns. We have a number of online tools that can help us validate these email addresses for us. Now, let us see some of these tools in action. First, let us see email harvesting tools that we can use in Kali Linux to gather email addresses. Harvester tool comes pre-installed with Kali Linux. It is an all-in-one tool that tries to gather information about a domain. For example, we can run this tool to gather information about Tesla. So type the harvester, -D to specify the domain, -L to limit the number of results, and -B to select the sources to search. Here we are trying to search from all possible sources. Once you press enter, you are going to see a lot of errors. The tool supports a lot of paid APIs, which you can use to get better results. Then it will use some free search tools to gather information. Here, we have our results. We can see that it has gathered the ASN numbers, interesting URLs, some of the IP addresses, and some emails too. Although we only have 2 email addresses for this search, it depends upon the parameters we provide to the tool and the APIs we are subscribed to. Similar to the harvester, we have another tool called Email Harvester. It is identical to the harvester, but only focuses on emails. You can download it from GitHub and use it to gather email addresses. Similarly, you can look for similar tools on GitHub. We have a lot of online resources that are known to provide better results. Let us see these now. Hunter.io is considered as the go-to tool for gathering email addresses about a domain. The free account is limited in results. Just sign in for a free account. Click on Finder. Now enter the domain and click on Search. You can see the email addresses of that domain along with the resources. These email addresses can be useful if you are planning a phishing campaign or a password spraying attack. You can provide any domain or subdomain to this tool, and it is going to list the email addresses. The second tool is a free alternative to Hunter.io. Phonebook.cz contains 165 billion records, and you can input any domain to find the email addresses. The output is all on one page, and you can even do a text search to search for the email address of a particular person. For example, we can filter the email addresses that contain admin in the address, and we can separate them. Similarly, we have a tool called breach.vip. You select the domain from the selection pane and input the URL. And we get the email addresses of that domain. This tool makes use of breach data and also lists down the sources from where it has captured the email address. Now, let us see some browser extensions that help to gather email addresses. Clearbit is a well-known extension for gathering email leads. Browse to the extension's web page and click to add to Chrome. The extension will be added to the Chrome. Clearbit automatically integrates with Gmail as well, but we are not focusing on that. You can pin this extension to the toolbar, click on Open Connect Sidebar. You get the details of the domain in the sidebar. Now visit Tesla.com. You can observe the company's details. For collecting email addresses, click on People. Select any person and you can get the email address in lieu of once credit. So, you actually need its subscription to gather good amount of email addresses. Email Hunter is an extension that automatically gathers email addresses from a web page once we visit it. Add the extension to the Chrome, pin it, and agree to the terms and conditions. Now, visit Tesla.com. As you visit web pages, you can see that it captures email addresses. So, this extension can help to automatically gather email leads while browsing a website. Now, let us see some methods to manually gather email addresses. You can make use of Google Docs as shown to look for Contact Us pages of a company. This method allows us to quickly list down important emails from different subdomains or sublets of a company. Similarly, we can try different Google Docs to search for pages that contain email addresses. We can try different combinations for the accuracy of results. One interesting method to gather email addresses is to manually browse LinkedIn pages and profiles of employees of a company. Some people have their emails listed as public. Moreover, we may be able to find some blogs, posts, or even birthdays, which may be helpful in our penetration test assessment. If we find any personal web page of an employee, we can even look for emails or other social media links from the website. Now, let us see some email validation tools that can help us to verify whether the emails actually exist on the server. So, we have gathered a few emails from Phonebook.cz. We can go to Intel X Tools. We have an email validator tool. Just put in an email and it will tell whether the email exists. But the tool is not too accurate. If we put in an invalid email, we see that it does not flag the email. The second tool is emailtester.net. Put in the email and click on Check, and we can see that it displays the results. The tool is accurate and flags invalid emails. Similarly, we have Expert E. But we need to provide the username separately, and it displays whether the email is valid or not. Emailchecker.net is also a very accurate tool. Just put in the email and it displays whether the email is good or bad. The last tool is Email Hippo. It is a very famous email validation tool. Just put in the email address and it displays the email validity. So, in this video, we saw different tools to gather email addresses and validate them to use them in further attacks.